If you're looking for the exact workout and diet routine that will shape your body for summer starting right now, even though it's winter and most people are slowing down, this video is going to give you everything you need to begin your transformation from home without confusion, without complicated equipment, and without extreme dieting. This is your full step-by-step body shaping plan designed specifically for women who want to tone their legs, lift their glutes, slim their waist, sculpt their arms, and feel more confident in their skin by the time warm weather arrives. Today, we're blending targeted workouts with a realistic eating strategy to give you real results. And we're placing a special emphasis on glute training to build roundness, lift, and shape exactly where you want it most. We begin by warming up your lower body, standing tall, and breathing deeply as you ease into slow, controlled squats. With every squat, you activate your thighs and glutes, feeling the strength build in your legs as you lower yourself, and then push back up through your heels. As your muscles awaken, you move into smooth reverse lunges, stepping back one leg at a time, lowering your body in a gentle arc that challenges your hamstrings, hips, and the entire lower body chain. The warm-up prepares you for deeper activation when you lower to the floor for glute bridges, pressing your hips up, tightening your core, and squeezing at the top to create that burn in the glutes that signals real sculpting is taking place. These simple but powerful movements form the foundation of your lower body transformation and help build strong, defined curves. Once your glutes are warm, you go into a dedicated glute sculpting sequence. This is where you begin to create the lifted booty shape you want. You get on all fours and begin steady donkey kicks, lifting your leg upward with intention and control, keeping your core steady so the glutes take all the work. After that, you open your knee outward into fire hydrants, targeting the side glute muscles that give that round, lifted look from every angle. Then you straighten one leg behind you and pulse upward with a small but powerful motion, building intensity and shaping the upper glute area. To amplify the burn, you shift into squat to kick movements, lowering into a deep squat and kicking your leg back as you stand, tightening your glutes at the top. This full sequence creates deep activation and helps the muscles grow stronger, firmer, and more defined. With the lower body activated, you move into upper body sculpting. You position your hands on the floor and perform controlled push-ups, lowering your chest slowly and pressing upward in a smooth motion that strengthens your arms and chest. Then you sit near a chair or bench and perform tricep dips, bending your arms and pressing with power, feeling the burn in the back of your arms. Standing again, you rotate your arms in wide circles, front and back, letting your shoulders heat up. These movements promote firmness and definition in your upper body without heavy weights. You complete this segment by lying on your stomach and lifting into Superman extensions, strengthening your back and improving posture, which enhances the overall shape of your upper body. With your arms and shoulders activated, you shift into your core routine. You start with a strong plank, keeping your body straight and firm, allowing your abs to stabilize your entire body as you breathe through the hold. After this, you roll onto your back and complete slow leg raises, lifting and lowering your legs to engage your lower abs. You continue with bicycle crunches, twisting through your waist to work your obliques, followed by Russian twists that deepen your waist sculpting. To intensify the finish, you return to a plank and move into fast mountain climbers, pulling your knees toward your chest and letting your heart rate rise while your core stays tight. This sequence tightens, tones, and strengthens your midsection in a way that supports fat loss around the stomach area. If you find this video helpful and informative, please support the Healthy Pantry channel by leaving your comment below, liking this video, and subscribing for more daily health and nutrition tips. Now that your full strength section is complete, it's time to transition into cardio. You can choose high-intensity exercises like fast high knees, jump squats, quick shuffles, or butt kicks to elevate your heart rate quickly and boost metabolism. If you prefer low-impact options, you can choose incline walking, a brisk outdoor walk, or a dance-inspired session that keeps you moving without jumps. The purpose of this part of your routine is to enhance fat burning and improve endurance so your body becomes more toned and efficient. After your cardio, you give your body a moment to rest and stretch. You lengthen your legs, soften your shoulders, and breathe deeply, releasing tension throughout your body. Light stretching or yoga on recovery days helps prevent soreness, supports flexibility, and makes your routine more enjoyable and sustainable. Now it's time to shift into the eating strategy that complements your workout routine. Instead of following strict rules or cutting out entire food groups, you focus on balance, nourishment, and consistency. You start your morning with a protein-rich breakfast that stabilizes your energy and prevents cravings, something like Greek yogurt with berries, scrambled eggs with spinach, or a smoothie made with almond milk, banana, protein powder, and chia seeds. This gives your body the nutrients it needs to begin the day strong. For lunch, you choose meals built around protein and vegetables, something like grilled chicken or tofu with avocado and greens, salmon with rice and broccoli, or a turkey wrap filled with fresh vegetables. These meals are filling without being heavy, supporting muscle growth and providing long-lasting energy. In the evening, you keep dinner light but satisfying with options like lean chicken stir-fry, baked fish with salad, turkey meatballs with greens, or warm lentil soup. These meals digest well, help reduce bloating, and ensure you stay on track with your fitness goals. When you need snacks, you choose simple options like fruit, yogurt, nuts, or a clean protein bar, supporting your body without unnecessary sugar or processed food. Throughout your day, you hydrate well, drinking water consistently to reduce bloating, support digestion, improve skin clarity, and enhance workout performance. Adding green tea can give you a gentle metabolism boost and help your body burn fat more efficiently. By combining this workout routine with this balanced and enjoyable eating plan, your body begins to change in a steady, healthy, and noticeable way. Your glutes become stronger, rounder, and more lifted from the targeted activation work. Your legs become more toned, your waist tightens, your arms take on new definition, and your energy rises. You begin to feel lighter, more confident, and more connected to your body. This combined plan gives you the structure you need to sculpt your body from the inside out. If you want more detailed workout videos, glute routines, meal guides, or weekly fitness plans, make sure to subscribe and comment your goals below so we can create more content that fits your needs. Your transformation begins the moment you start, and this unified routine is your roadmap to the strong, confident, sculpted body you want for summer. Thank you for joining us here at the Healthy Pantry. We hope you found the information valuable and inspiring. Remember, your health is a journey, and we are here to guide you every step of the way. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.